he could go to prison for the rest of his life. That's the potential maximum.
Yeah, now his defense team is asking the federal judge to start revealing who his accusers are. They say that's the only way that they can prepare and have a fair trial.
Audio Jungle.
In the meantime, federal prosecutors will continue to knock the claims down. They believe Combs is a threat to society.
But I think in a case like this, he is looking at potentially decades in prison if he's convicted.
New details about Diddy's recent court case have surfaced, raising concerns about the serious charges he might face. The public is closely watching how both the judge and Diddy's legal team are responding to the situation, as this isn't just any trial. It's a complex case with grave accusations that could lead to even deeper legal trouble for him. The latest update reveals that Diddy's trial date has been set for May 5, 2025. During a federal court hearing in Manhattan, tensions between prosecutors and Diddy's defense team escalated dramatically, with heated debates over evidence concealment and potential additional charges. On October 10, Diddy appeared before Judge Aaron Supermanian, who will preside over the proceedings. The hearing was not only a legal event but also an emotional moment, as Diddy's family, including his mother and children, were present in the courtroom to show their support. With the trial date approaching, the legal battle is intensifying, drawing even more public attention.
The rapper's children are also inside that courtroom in hopes to show the judge that he has support. Again, it's still unclear how this will go. Both sides are pleading. As we speak, Combs.
The recent hearing in Diddy's court case revealed crucial details and highlighted the strategies that both sides will pursue in the coming months. Notably, Diddy's demeanor at the hearing was strikingly different from previous appearances. Instead of his usual reserved and distant attitude, he appeared highly engaged, at one point even whispering to his lawyer as the prosecution presented the vast amount of electronic evidence seized from his properties. Much of the hearing centered on this evidence, indicating that the government has compiled extensive data as the foundation for its charges against Diddy. The prosecution disclosed that a total of 96 electronic devices were seized during raids conducted earlier this year. These searches targeted Diddy's residences in Miami and Los Angeles, as well as a private airport in Florida. When Diddy was arrested in September, an additional 4 devices were confiscated. Prosecutors revealed that just 8 devices seized from Miami contained over 90 terabytes of data, an enormous volume potentially filled with text messages, emails, photos, videos, and more. The sheer quantity of data has delayed the government's analysis process, underscoring the complexity of the case. One of the most contentious aspects of Diddy's legal battle is his ongoing fight for bail. Following his September arrest, he has been held at the Metropolitan Detention Center in Brooklyn, a facility known for its harsh conditions and issues of misconduct. Despite several attempts by Diddy's legal team to secure his release on bail, the efforts have so far been unsuccessful. 2 separate judges have denied his release, citing concerns that he could pose a danger to the community if freed. Additionally, the judges expressed apprehension that Diddy might interfere with witnesses or potentially disrupt the ongoing investigation. As the case advances, the vast amount of evidence and the struggle over bail underscore the high-stakes nature of the proceedings. The road ahead appears to be challenging, with both sides preparing for an intense legal showdown.
Yesterday, the defense attorney has to plead his case to try and turn the judge to grant that bail. But in the meantime, federal prosecutors will continue to knock the claims down. They believe Combs is a threat to society.
Morning, Vanessa and Craig. Right, $50 million not enough after a federal judge called Sean Combs a threat to public safety, keeping him behind bars. His defense attorney hoping to change that today at a 3:30 bail hearing. That's this afternoon.
Diddy's ongoing legal battle has ignited broader discussions about powerful men in the entertainment industry facing serious criminal accusations, especially cases of abuse, manipulation, and misconduct. His case is being compared to infamous figures like Jeffrey Epstein and R. Kelly, both of whom used their wealth and influence to shield themselves from public scrutiny and legal consequences for years. Although each of their cases is distinct, they share a central theme of power abuse that has drawn parallels in both legal circles and among the public. Attorney Trill Lovell, a specialist in entertainment and civil law, recently spoke with Newsweek likening Diddy's legal challenges to R. Kelly's notorious case, where he was found guilty of sex trafficking. According to Lovell, R. Kelly and now Diddy represent high-profile celebrities, and in this case, music moguls who have chosen lifestyles the authorities believe are illegal in many aspects. The government wants to send a message that no matter who you are, how much money you have, or how powerful you are, we won't let you get away with these things. To understand the severity of Diddy's situation, a look at the allegations against Epstein and Kelly sheds light on a pattern of high-profile abuses rooted in fame and privilege. Epstein's notorious case centered around the operation of an underage trafficking ring. For years, he used his wealth and connections to build a protective network that allowed him to evade scrutiny for his crimes, despite accusations involving minors. It wasn't until his arrest in 2019 that the full extent of his activities came to light. Similarly, R. Kelly faced extensive accusations of abuse over the years, with testimonies from numerous young women and underage girls. His fame and influence in the music industry enabled him to evade accountability for years, until the release of the documentary Surviving R. Kelly *, which finally put his crimes in the spotlight. Diddy's case involves allegations of violent acts and other abuses against women, with accusers claiming that, like Epstein and Kelly, he exploited his power within the entertainment industry to control and manipulate victims. Adding complexity to Diddy's case are the claims that he had a well-organized network of enablers. This network allegedly facilitated his activities by organizing parties, preparing locations, and coordinating travel for those attending, all designed to create an environment where he could exercise control over individuals. In Kelly's case, a similar system was found, where he isolated and manipulated victims with the help of a network of enablers, some of whom helped ensure that these women remained cut off from the outside world. Diddy's defense team faces a formidable opponent with the government's use of the Racketeer Influenced and Corrupt Organizations Act, commonly known as the RICO Act. Originally established in 1970 to tackle mafia-style organizations, RICO allows prosecutors to charge individuals involved in illegal activities as part of a broader criminal network. Over the years, it has been applied to high-profile cases involving powerful individuals accused of running operations that exploit their influence for criminal purposes. Under RICO, even if Diddy didn't directly commit every alleged act, he can be held accountable if prosecutors can prove he directed or knowingly participated in the operation. Significant aspect of RICO is its ability to link multiple offenses under a single conspiracy charge. This was a powerful tool in R. Kelly's case, where he faced allegations of abusing women and minors for decades. RICO allowed prosecutors to consolidate his offenses into a single case, ultimately leading to a 30-year prison sentence in New York, with additional years added in a separate state trial. In Diddy's case, the government alleges that he used his fame and fortune to orchestrate a network that enabled various forms of misconduct, including trafficking and other serious offenses. If proven, RICO could lead to a similarly severe punishment for Diddy, as it has in past cases. In another infamous case, Hollywood producer Harvey Weinstein faced multiple sexual misconduct charges, leading to one of the most high-profile convictions in recent years. Weinstein's sentencing marked a turning point for powerful individuals facing accusations of misconduct, as he received a 23-year sentence in New York, with an additional 16 years in California. These cases signaled the justice system's shifting stance toward holding influential figures accountable for abuses, regardless of their wealth or connections. Diddy's legal troubles are further complicated by rumors involving major celebrities, most notably Oprah Winfrey. The public's attention has turned to Oprah, who has maintained a long-standing friendship with Diddy, as well as other controversial figures like Weinstein and Bill Cosby. Although no concrete evidence links Oprah to any of Diddy's alleged wrongdoings, some speculate that her close associations with powerful but troubled individuals could suggest deeper ties. The conspiracy theory surrounding Oprah alleges that she may have obtained illicit footage from Diddy's infamous parties, supposedly selling it to high-ranking figures in entertainment and politics. This theory has not been substantiated, but it has fueled widespread public interest and further muddied the waters of Diddy's case. Oprah and Diddy's relationship dates back decades, with their first public appearance together in 2003 at the 100 Gala. Over the years, the two have been seen together at various high-profile events like the Met Gala and the Grammys, and Oprah has frequently attended Diddy's charitable functions. Given the renewed focus on Diddy's alleged misconduct, these appearances have prompted questions about the nature of their friendship. Speculation suggests that Oprah may have had knowledge of, or possibly even involvement in, Diddy's alleged actions, though no evidence supports this claim. Adding fuel to the speculation are other prominent celebrities often associated with Diddy's infamous parties, such as Beyonce and Jay-Z. Both have remained silent regarding the allegations against Diddy, even though their close friendship with him has been well documented over the years. In today's culture, where association alone can damage a person's reputation, their silence has only added to the intrigue. Fans and media have watched closely, eager for any response from Beyonce and Jay-Z on the situation, but their continued silence has led some to assume complicity, or at the very least, an unwillingness to confront a longtime friend. Beyond the allegations and conspiracies, the logistics of Diddy's case are proving challenging. One of the main hurdles will be finding an impartial jury due to the high-profile nature of the trial and the extensive media coverage that has shaped public opinion. Potential jurors are likely to have been exposed to news and speculation about the case, which could complicate the process of ensuring a fair trial. Diddy's legal team has emphasized this concern, arguing that the negative public perception could hinder his right to a fair hearing. Diddy's first major court hearing took place in Manhattan Federal Court on October 10th, where he appeared before Judge Aaron Supermanian. The hearing set an official trial date for May 5, 2025, and highlighted the tension between prosecutors and Diddy's defense team, especially regarding the presentation of evidence. The prosecution has accumulated a significant amount of electronic data, with 96 devices seized from Diddy's properties in Miami, Los Angeles, and a private Florida airport. During the hearing, the government revealed that just 8 devices from Miami contained over 90 terabytes of data, potentially filled with text messages, emails, photos, and videos. The vast quantity of information has delayed the prosecution's analysis, but it is expected to play a pivotal role in the case. Adding to Diddy's struggles is his ongoing battle for bail. Since his arrest in September, he has been held at the Metropolitan Detention Center in Brooklyn, known for its harsh conditions and history of reported abuses. Despite multiple attempts by his legal team to secure bail, 2 judges have denied his release, citing concerns about public safety and the possibility of Diddy tampering with witnesses. These decisions underscore the severity of the allegations and the court's hesitance to allow a high-profile defendant with considerable resources to walk free. Diddy's case has attracted immense public scrutiny, with a significant portion of the conversation occurring on social media. His legal troubles have fueled conspiracy theories, including speculations about the involvement of influential figures like Oprah. Despite a lack of evidence connecting her to any alleged misconduct, her close association with Diddy has continued to spark public curiosity. Moreover, celebrities like Beyonce and Jay-Z are now facing their own wave of public backlash due to their connections to Diddy, as fans increasingly demand accountability from individuals associated with controversial figures. As the trial date approaches, the legal battles surrounding Diddy's case will likely intensify, with both his team and the prosecution preparing for a high-stakes confrontation. The allegations against him, combined with the use of RICO charges, signal that this case could become one of the most significant legal reckonings for a major celebrity in recent years. The implications are far-reaching, not only for Diddy, but also for others connected to him, as the case exposes potential abuses of power and the responsibility of those who use their influence to manipulate and control others. The outcome remains uncertain, but Diddy's case serves as a reminder of the growing trend toward holding high-profile individuals accountable for actions once hidden behind fame and fortune. Whether or not Diddy is convicted, the ongoing legal proceedings have already had a substantial impact, casting a shadow over his career and challenging the public's perception of the powerful in the entertainment industry.